Test drive the 2022 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.